Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to unhide sheets in Excel. So here I show you different three ways you can unhide your sheet in Excel file. So let's start the first one. Here you can see in this Excel sheet I already hide some sheets. Simply right click on the current sheet. So I'll just right click on it and click on the unhide option, and here you can see the small dialog box is open, unhide. Then select the sheet those you want to unhide. Okay, I select the sheet number 1 and click on OK. And you can see the sheet number 1 is unhide. If you want to unhide the multiple sheets, simply right click on it. Again, select the same option, unhide, and select the first sheet. Then hold the control key. Then select the second sheet and fourth and fifth. Okay. Then click on the OK to unhide all sheets at once. Okay. So this is the first way. And for the second way, I first press the Control Z to undo the action. So all sheets again hide. And the second way, go to the Home tab. In Cells group, click on the Format option. In Visibility, click on the Hide and Unhide option. Then click on the last option, Unhide Sheet. And here you can see the same dialog box is open to unhide. Simply select the sheet those you want to unhide. So I select the sheet number 2 and click on OK. And if you want to unhide the all sheets, again go to the format, same option, unhide the sheets, and select the first sheet, then hold the control key and select the all other sheets and click on OK to unhide the all sheets. Okay. Again, I press the Control Z, so I just hide all the sheets again. And the third method, press the Alt F11. So I press Alt F11 to open the VBA applications. And here, press the Control G and here, type here one code. So I open here my notepad. So this is the code you need to type. So I just copy this code, okay, and paste here. So I paste here the code and I just go back my Excel sheet, and here you can see the all sheet still hide, okay. And now open the VBA applications. Just click on the end of this code and you can see here your cursor is blink. Then press Shift plus Enter key. And here you can see in Excel file all sheet is unhide. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.